Hello and warm welcome to all. Today we are going to calculate urban heat island and urban heat island stack profile. Urban heat island refer to the phenomenon where urban areas experience higher temperature due to human anthropogenic activities and built environment. Causes include land surface modification, reduced vegetations, and heat from building and infrastructure, altered air circulation, and waste heat. To calculate urban heat island, first of all, we need to calculate or estimate land surface temperature. So I have calculated land surface temperature as earlier, and I had also pinned the link about estimating the land surface temperature, or you can simply go through my channel and you can find out the tutorial about estimating the land surface temperature. And after that, after estimating land surface temperature, we have to use the same raster file to calculate the urban heat island. So I am using already prepared land surface temperature file. So first of all, we need to know about the formulas which is used to calculate the urban heat island. You can see there, urban heat island is equal to land surface temperature minus mean of land surface temperature. LSTM means the mean temperature of the LST, and UHI means standard deviation of temperature. Now let's go to raster calculator. Raster calculator. Yeah, you can search here. After searching there, you can insert the formula LST minus mean. So first of all, we need to know their mean. First of all, go to their properties, and after that, go through the source, and you can go through here the statistic. You can find the minimum value, maximum value, mean value, standard deviation. So to calculate mean, first of all, I need to copy it and simply go here. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, we need to put it here and just put it in bracket and then divide by UHI. UHI means here it is the UHI value means standard deviation. I had copied and kept here for easiness. Yeah. And after that, just define the output. Now we need to define the output here. So name is UHI. Okay, and go through. Yeah, okay. So we have calculated the urban heat island, and just for visualization, go through the symbology and choose the color accordingly. Yeah, it's calculated here. Now to calculate the stock urban heat island stack profile, first of all we need to go through the catalog and then continue the process. Now go through the new and create the shape file. Create the shape file means here UHI profile, and we go to the line and choose the coordinate system, which is WGS 1984 Newton zone 45 yan. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so we have created a line feature, and now go to the editing toolbar, start editing, choose UHI profile, and After that, select the UHI profile and go through here the create feature. Yeah, it's showing now. Choose here line and just draw it here. It's quite here. First of all, just we need to keep it inside the boundary. So just stop editing, do not save it. Now again, that's I need some correction. That's why I'm repeating the same process. Yeah, go through continue and go here to the continue create feature. Yeah, create line, maybe from borderline to here. Yeah, now it will be fine. Okay, and after that stop editing. Yeah, and you need to choose or increase the width of those line. Yeah, okay, now you can sort here. Now you can sort here stack profile and click here, and in input line feature we have to choose this UHI profile, and for profile target you need to choose UHI, which means urban heat island. And now for output to stack profile and save it. Oh, now you need to keep or shorten the name. Profile. Yeah, you just keep it as it is for output table, and for output graph name you need to just stack profile. Yeah, and click here OK. You'll get your profile. Yeah, it's our profile. Here the x-axis, which means this is showing the temperature uh, temperature values, and for y-axis is showing the areas in kilometer. And you can also simply save. You can also watch it table. So just go through the open, and yeah, you can see there are the lots of distance ranges. So it was categorized up to 5,000 interval in y-axis, and in first grade means it means temperature. So you can see there is the temperature variations, and which ranges from minus 2.5 degrees Celsius to 5.25 degrees Celsius. Okay, and you can also export this stock profile as a desired feature. Just left click here and go through the export. You can choose the various format according to your need. So I'm going to export it as a JPG. So I have chosen here as a JPG, and just click here save, and I'm going to save it in respective folder. Yeah, here it is urban heat island, and here you name as a stock profile. Yeah, save. Yeah, we have got. Now you can see there. And to create and export it, you can choose the just layout figure, insert your uh, output title as well as north arrow as well as legend, and put this stack profile in the image, so it will be easier to understand what you have done. uh, so just rename it as actually it is urban heat island. I had urban heat island and UHI stack profile. Yeah, just had renamed the title. Yeah, you can export it as your need. So for further video, or if you need any assistance while preparing urban heat island, please drop down your comment if you have any queries, or you can contact through the WhatsApp number, or you can email me if you have any queries, or if you need any types of assistance. I'll be there. Thank you for watching. uh, Keep just subscribe it and like the videos. Thank you.